Good morning, students. Today we will do the worksheet about raindrop beginning sounds. Let's read the instruction together. Pace the raindrop accordingly. Look, there are 4 clouds. And then you must match the raindrop to the suitable letter. First, rabbit. A rabbit. Is the sound of R. Watermelon. Watermelon. Is the sound of W. Rocket. Rocket. Is the sound of R. Yarn. Yarn. Is the sound of Y. Yellow. Yellow. Is the sound of Y. Umbrella. Umbrella. Is the sound of U. Whale. Whale. Is the sound of W. Wet. Wet. Is the sound of W. Run. Run. Is the sound of R. Umpire. Umpire. Is the sound of U. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Is the sound of Y. The last picture is under. Under. Is the sound of U. Now repeat after me. Y is for yarn, yellow, yo-yo. R is for rabbit, rocket, run. U is for umbrella, umpire, under. W is for watermelon, whale. and wet. Can you do this activity well? Very good. Happy learning!